Hello! Welcome to another Minecraft Let's Play. I'm doing a special Let's Play, a modded Let's Play, using the camping mod and Minecraft Comes Alive. So without further ado, let's go into it. I think. Yeah. This might take a little bit. Here we are. Uh-oh. That's not supposed to happen. There we go. Gender, male. Let's go with MCLucario. Finish. Okay. Whoa, okay, lag. So this is the Minecraft Comes Alive mod. It's a really interactive mod. Like, it replaces the useless Squidwards with people like this. Like Aston or whatever his name is. He's a farmer and he kind of looks like Bolin from Avatar. Come back, Bolin. Oh. Hi, Bolin. He's stuck in a hole right now. Let's see what the blacksmith has. Ooh, hello. Rachel. That's good. Maybe I could sell her her own gold and iron. Let's check out everyone else. You look like a guy. Yes, you are. A bunny! You're so cute, you must die. Oh, it gave me fur. Let's see what we got for fur. Oh, yeah, I also have the, not enough items mod. Only for, don't worry about that. It's only used for recipes. That's a none, I think. Yeah. Who wants a torch? Sorry if my game was a bit laggy. Stacy, the farmer. Dylan the miner. You are short. And short lady right there. Where's Bolin? I might just have to go into creative mode and rename him Bolin just because of his appearance. And time to murder some bunnies. They're only giving me fur. I need some rabbit meat. Sustenance. Yeah, like that. This is good. raw hair. There's a chicken in that tree. There's a pig in this tree. Why are there things everywhere? Oops. I'll stand 5 minutes on today. So yeah, this will be a kind of boring episode because I'm just getting to know everyone and everything, but fear not, they'll get better with raw hair. Julia, you are fat. You are tiny and fat little person. If memory proves me right, there should be another village way over in that direction. But I guess it kind of varies zombies. Depending on where I am. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, the bunnies are part of the CAMPCRAFT mod. I'll need to use that. Oh, I have enough to make a pocket knife. I just need to get some roses. Roses. Like right there. I think they only give me 2. Yeah. So we'll need 3 of these in order to make a pocket knife. Sorry if the video quality is bad, but I'm using Bandcam and it's causing my game to lag like crazy. That's a squid. Squid don't care. Oh my god. There we go, that's better. First try. Whoa. Oh yeah, I also made the skin. Took a while, but I did it. All on my own. That gold will help in the future due to later times. Beautiful times. Pocket knife. Oh, I forgot I have to look at this thing. Rick mold. Hands down these beautiful times. Or whatever. I've already created a pocket knife though. Oops. Oh well. Just a second. Let me pause the video. Alright, there we go. And unfortunately, I'll be needing to cut the video short soon because once again, I'm using Bandcam. But don't expect it to take too long in order for the next video to come out. I've created my pocket knife that I had to hack in some stuff to get because the game was being stupid, so yeah. I guess this is bye. But I've still got 30 seconds left, so I'm going to jump down from this building. Whee!